Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Trace. If it is your first time here, I create lifestyle content on this corner of YouTube. So that includes a wide variety of videos from long form and short form content, including cooking videos, DIY projects, unboxings, and beauty, and so much more. So if any of that sounds like your jam, please do your bro a favor, hit that subscribe button and join my community so that you join in all of the fun. Now in today's video, I am doing a meal prep video. It's going to be a quick little prep. I was thinking of a chicken stir fry. Well, not chicken stir fry. I'm going to make shrimp stir fry this time around, but I wanted a low carb alternative. Like when I was in the store, I was debating about like udon noodles and different types of noodles, but then I was like, no, I know I don't want them. And then they're usually served or purchased in like a large quantity, and it's just myself. So I said, you know what? No, I'm not doing the noodles. So what can we do to make it a little bit heartier but lower carb and just filling? So you'll have to stay tuned to see how we cook up that stir fry. And of course, there'll be egg white egg bites or egg bites, vegetable egg bites of some sorts, because those are my jam. So why don't we go ahead, go to my kitchen and cook up some really wholesome food, some good meals just to sustain us. And I am on a weight loss journey, as we all know. If you don't know and it's your first time here, I am trying to get back down to the weight that I moved when I was here. So give or take, that was about like 15 pounds, and then I added like 5 more pounds onto my original number. So we're looking at losing 20 pounds, and we're trajectorying in the right direction. I'm down about 9 pounds, 9.8 to be specific. So that's a yay moment, and we love that. So yeah, let's head to my kitchen and see what we're cooking up. So let's head to the kitchen, guys. All right, so these are the ingredients that we're going to need to make the sauce, and then I have the ingredients that we're going to use to season the chicken. So let's go ahead and let's just start cooking and prepping everything. Okay, so here we have it, the finished meal prep. Of course, I have my vegetable egg bites. These are chickpea hummus, so it's a chickpea inspired hummus without tahini. I have some garlic, some onion powder, some olive oil, some paprika. Then we have our chicken stir fry, just some vegetables, some bean sprouts. I have some celery sticks, and there we have it. This is my weekly meal prep, easy peasy done, and there we have it. Okay, so I'm done prepping. I don't really like the angle that we're on. There we go. I think that's better. Now I'm having a challenge with the lighting. Anytime that I have to turn on the living room light, I end up having a wonky time with the clip light, and that's just the nature of like losing the daylight. So I did finish up prepping. As you would have seen, we made some egg bites. There's going to be a glare. So we made some egg bites, some chickpea hummus, and then we have our stir fry and our vegetables. So honestly, I'm looking forward to the stir fry. And I said shrimp earlier. I actually made chicken breast stir fry. I completely bogged. I think I wanted to make shrimp, but I did chicken breast, and yeah, I'm excited. I've never made homemade teriyaki sauce, so I'm really trying to get into making more home-based sauces, because one, you buy it, you open it, it doesn't last as long, and then they're loaded with so many ingredients that it just ends up being less healthy in the end. So I did look up a quick recipe, and I made some modifications to the recipe just for my needs, and I'm excited. I'm excited to see what this prep is looking like. So I'm going to go ahead and close out the video here. But if you did enjoy my meal prep, please like, comment, share, and if you made it this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button so that you join my community. And if you're into cooking videos, I'm doing a lot more prepping and meal prep. I'm sorry if you can hear that. My doorway is right there, and I do have a vestibule, but outside the vestibule is my front door, and they're cleaning up the snow. So if you hear that, that's what's going on. But yeah, as I said, if you're here for cooking videos, I do have a lot of prep videos up on my channel already, and I am trying my best to include that content here, because it's something that I do like, and it does seem to resonate with a lot of my audience. So again, if you like what you're seeing and you made it this far, please hit that subscribe button. So I hope you have a wonderful day, evening, whatever time it is that you're seeing this video. Take care, guys, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.